Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Claude AI is disabled error. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your browser if you're using Claude on browser and simply refresh your page. That will refresh all the caches on your page and it will give you a fresh interface to work on. So that is one of the fix, but let's say if that doesn't work for you, you're going to click on the three dots at the top right corner and go to history. Then you're going to click on open history page. And over here, you're going to click on delete browsing data. And here you're going to select all time and make sure to check this one that says cookie and other site data as well as cached images and files. So once you have done so, simply open Claude again and your issue will be fixed. If that doesn't help, you're going to make sure that you disable every VPN connection if you have enabled any. But let's say you don't have any VPN connection connected. So you got to make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. So simply switch to a reliable Wi-Fi network. And if you're using Claude as an application, then you got to simply download the latest patch version of Claude. So you can simply update your application and your issue will be fixed. If that doesn't help as well, then you can simply go to the claudestatus.com and you gotta check whether all of the Claude's interfaces and systems are operational. If you are able to see red bars, that means Claude is down. But right now you can see all of the applications are running. That means Claude is good to go. But let's say if your issue doesn't fix by any of the methods that I told you, then the issue might be that the Claude status is down. So that was basically how you can fix Claude AI is disabled error. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.